Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Birchbox. So if you want to see what I've got in this month Birchbox, just keep on watching. Before I start lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing also lineup spoiler of advent calendar. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing my Birchbox September 2021. I know it's a bit late lovelies, I'm really sorry, and it's been here waiting for me to unbox for a while now, so I'm really sorry. But yes, this month theme is shape your space, and this month didn't come with the usual drawer box, but it's a tin. It's really cute one, and I really like this tin because I can reuse them. Even though the drawer box one, I use them a lot to storage my items, but this one is really cute. It's quite different, and it says Birchbox here, and I know there's two variant color. This one, which is a peachy color, and the other one is like a greenish one. I'm not 100% sure. It's quite light this month. And yes, when you open the box, you have also the leaflet. It says shape your space, and we have also the product with a description, and it says, hello Birchboxers, now more than ever our home that are sanctuaries. The spaces we live in and the things we surround ourselves with directly influence our lives. May your September Birchbox serve as a stylish yet functional addition to your home that will calm your space and soothe your soul. Oh, the other one was the yellow. So here we go. There was a yellow, and this one here, which is like a peachy color. So let's open this tin. Oh, here we go inside, and let's see each product. So the first product we have here, and this is from the brand Feel Free, and this is the firming nourishing body cream with vegetable oil and fruit extract. I know this product, we had it in latest in beauty before. And this one, it says, this skin quenching body cream soothes and hydrates skin without any of that greasy feeling. Its combination of argan oil, cocoa and shea butter, and olive oil, as well as that sweet blueberry scent, is a recipe sure to leave your skin feeling nourished, firm, and regenerated. Moisturizing has never felt so good. So yes, it has 50 ml, so this is just a travel size. It doesn't have the seal, so we can try it. It looks like this. So once blend, it's very light texture, but yeah, it has that berry scent. So yes, here we go. It's lovely scent. It's really fresh scent, very fruity berry scent. So yes, so the first price, it's retail for £16.50, but yes, as I said, this is just a travel size. And then the next product we have is this from Green Frog Botanic shampoo bar, argan oil and rose oil, 96% natural ingredients. So, and you have 23 grams. Here it says, meet the solid shampoo that will give liquid versions a run for their money, formulated with a blend of argan oil, rose oil, and aloe vera. This totally plastic-free shampoo not only deeply cleanses your hair, it also leaves your locks feeling deeply hydrated and nourished. Vegan-friendly, plastic-free, no nasty chemical, and 100% degradable. This is perfect for when we start traveling, because instead of bringing liquid product, a good idea to bring with you. And then the next one we have is this from Balance Me Radiant Facial Oil. I had this one before. I am not really fan of this product, to be honest. As I said, if you follow me for a while, you know that I really don't like the feeling of oil on my face. A few, it's my favorite, like the Emma Hardy facial oil one. I love that one because it doesn't feel like oil on my face. It's really lightweight one, but I tried this one before and it's not for me, so I'll put this one in the future giveaway. And this one is just a deluxe sample size. It has 10 ml and it says, did you know that even congested skin can benefit from using facial oil? In fact, they are incredibly skin compatible, being balancing, hydrating, and comforting. Why not give it a go yourself with this 100% natural oil that is great for all skin types? This nourishing facial cocktail is full of rose hip oil, Amazonian buriti, moringa, kukui, and camellia to restore radiance and give you a healthy dewy glow. So yes, and then we have a full-size product from So Eco, the Gentle Facial Buffer. I have this one too. I had in my Look Fantastic before, or this month or last month, I don't remember, but I had this one before. And this one is a full size and it's rated for 4 pounds. And it says suitable for every skin type. This reusable facial exfoliator gently removes dirt, oil, and makeup to reveal soft, dewy, glowing skin. With or without cleanser, this 100% natural cotton buffer removes impurities on even the most sensitive skin. Wow. So yes. And then the last product we have here is from Wonder Beauty 342 bronzer. I was curious to try this one because I really heard good reviews of this product. So here we go. And this one is rated for 12 pounds. Inside we have Gorgeous on the Go, and here is the shade. It's not a matte bronzer, it has that shimmery, and this is in the shade Trip to Costa Ray. And here we go. I don't know if you can even see it, lovelies. I'm really sorry. It's very subtle one. This is perfect for every skin type. I don't even know if you can see it. So yes, it's not really that very pigmented, which is nice because for a bronzer it should be like a buildable one. So yes, and as I said, this retail for 12 pounds, and it says cheat and a sun-kissed holiday glow with this silky smooth bronzing powder enriched with mango seed butter, vitamin E rich sunflower seed oil, and sea buckthorn. This skin loving formula enhances summer skin beyond, adding dimension and warmth. So yes, this is the last product. As you can see, let's do first a recap. So we have a full size from So Eco, which is the Gentle Facial Buffer, and then we have deluxe travel size from Feel Free, which is the Blueberries body cream, which is really nice, fresh. It has a fruity scent. And then we have travel size, which is I want to use this from Balance with the Radiant Facial Oil. And then we have the Wonder Beauty 342 bronzer in the shade Trip to Costa Ray. And then we have, I think, deluxe sample size from Green Frog, the shampoo bar. So yes, overall, if you're new to Birchbox, if I didn't say it before, this subscription box, it costs 10 pounds a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25 or £3.95. And yes, and as I said in my previous unboxing of Birchbox, I subscribed for them for 3 months. This is my last box from them, and I decided to pause a moment because I accumulated too much product at the moment, so I paused at the moment my Birchbox. But overall, I really like the tin that it came. I really like the products that I received, except for one, which is the facial oil one, which is I won't use. But overall, yes, this is a nice box. And you lovelies, did you receive your Birchbox too? I think yes, because it's late my unboxing. What did you receive, and did you enjoy your box too this month? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. If you want to subscribe to Birchbox, all the info and the link will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.